Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson. We're here at 3 miles under the bridge. Here we're seeing it's now raining in 3 miles. And look at the amount of water that is running down the abutment. And it's coming from off the bridge, the road that runs on the bridge. And it's running down here, as you can see, along the back of the abutment, just across from the post office. And as you can see, the water is running down from off the bridge, right by the abutment. Down here, as it continues to rain here in 3 miles. Look at the amount of water is coming down to the abutment from off the bridge. And we're going to see more evidence here that what is running from under the bridge here in 3 miles. We showed you this crack earlier, and one viewer is saying it is caused by the vibration from the vehicles that are running on the bridge, and if it continues, it could be a problem going forward. It's caused by the vibration, and it should not have happened. So I have to take a look and see. Hopefully we don't see any more of these here on the bridge in 3 miles. And we are still seeing there more. And we are seeing more evidence where the water is going under the bridge here, under the roadway. We are seeing more evidence here. You can see water running down there on the beam. It's even worse on this side, as water is running down like it's raining under the bridge. Look at the ground to get an example and to get an idea of what. Look at the dropping, look at the water dropping under the bridge. As if it is raining under the bridge. You can see the water. It looks like it's raining under the bridge here, as you can see. As you can see there. You can see the water there. We're seeing it at the same WDT bus being carried away by the wrecker. And this bridge is built to last at least 100 years, according to the China Harbor. It's wet here in 3 miles, and we're seeing smooth flowing traffic in 3 miles area. Nothing further on the taxi stand. Maran is just there for quite a while now. Oh, we are seeing more water gushing from under the bridge as it continues to rain. And we are seeing more signs that water is coming under the asphalt above the roadway. And you can see the evidence here right onto the bridge. And we are seeing more as we go along. In addition to the ones we showed you earlier. Water marks under the bridge. One we showed you before. And we're seeing more. And more. And one here by the abutment.